Tata Nexon has become the fourth made-in-India car to receive a 4-star crash rating. The car was crashed in a frontal offset test which was conducted at 64 km per hour as per the Global NCAP protocol at a test lab in Munich, Germany. The Nexon has been awarded 4 stars for adult occupant protection and 3 stars for child occupant safety. The car's body shell has been rated as stable. The Tata Nexon comes with dual airbags, seat belts with pre-tensioners, ISOFIX child seat anchorage and ABS or anti-lock braking, all as standard. The equipment has helped to meet the criteria required to pass this test, but it is also the Nexon's structural integrity that has impressed. The test shows that the vehicle sustains maximum damage to its front end and engine compartment, and there is no lethal intrusion into the cabin area, and the A-pillar also retains its structure, and this is particularly creditable. The Global NCAP result also goes on to state that the Nexon offers good protection for the head and neck of both driver and passenger and adequate protection to their chests. The Tata Zest had also received a 4-star rating in November 2016. The other two made-in-India models to have achieved the same in the past are the Toyota Etios and Volkswagen Polo. Global NCAP has been pursuing the Safer Cars for India agenda for over 4 years now. Since then, 25 tests have been carried out of made-in-India vehicles, which has resulted in a lot of changes. There's been a change of government policy, people's attitudes, and of course, better products now available in India. And I can tell you, all of us at NDTV Carandbike are extremely proud to have been associated with and participated in this process since 2013. Global NCAP promises to continue its focus on the issue when it carries out further tests of made-in-India cars later this year. It will also host its annual World Congress in New Delhi for the first time in September 2018.